Hi everyone, I welcome you all on behalf of the Crazy Easy channel. I hope you have gone through the new Wings1 structure. And from my previous videos comments, I got to know that you all are very excited about the milestones, concepts and rewards, which is nothing but the journey from 3 LPA to 12 LPA in TCS. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Okay. So for the Innovator Rewards, Elevate team is considering TCS Smart, TCS Ninja and TCS Digital profiles only. And as we all know, the DCS merged with the TSLP, so they are considering the associate from two divisions only. Which divisions, or I can say categories, and that what are the categories, we will see in the next slide. So they are considering categories which are shown in the screen. One is a non-digital and other one is a digital. I will see the digital first. So digital is the one for the associate is joining TSLP program as a digital associate, and digital means either he or she must be hired on the basis of digital profile during the recruitment process itself through the TNQT, or associate after joining a TCS must have gone through the DCA, cleared the DCA and then might be identified as a high talent in TCS. So these are the two types of associates are tagged to the digital profile, and now they are looking only at the entry level. So when the associates start the TSLP, they will check whether the person is belong to digital or non-digital, and non-digital could be TCS Smart and TCS Ninja Guile. All people are considered under the non-digital category or division. So this much is clear, I think. So moving on to the next slide, which is a very important slide. Why? Because this slide is representing how many tracks needs to be completed at which milestone. So you may take a screenshot for your reference. Okay. I think you got idea from previous slide who is under the digital category and who is under the non-digital category. Okay. So now let me quickly walk you through the milestone progression for non-digital entry of IT and ITIS branch. Then I will walk you through the milestone progression for digital associate for the Wings1 program. Okay. The below one will be explaining first and then we'll move to the digital. So now TCS Smart and Ninja guys, when they start the TSLP program, they have 12 tracks to be completed. And these 12 tracks are segregating for the non-digital associate as a 6 milestones. First milestone is a milestone 0, which is nothing but the digital movement. Okay. And after clearing first milestone, you will be moving to digital equivalent. Then you guys have a milestone from 1 to 5, and at the end of the milestone 5 you will be equivalent to that of Innovator cadre. So you might start as a TCS Smart or TCS Ninja, but when you complete the milestone 5 you will be equivalent to that of TCS Innovative with respect to your salary, your recognition and your everything. Since there are 6 milestones 0 to 5, and they are dividing rewards into 2 tracks in each milestone. So if you are able to complete the 2 tracks in each milestone, then you will get the Innovator profile at the end. Now in the first milestone, which is a digital movement, okay, this is the very important thing, that is a digital movement, that is nothing but the milestone 0. So it is required that you have to complete 2 tracks. Only 2 tracks are required to get the digital profile. So from that 2 tracks, one must be core technology track, and that needs to be clear with the distinction. Okay, and clear means only one technology track is mandatory with the distinction, and second track could be any other track. If you select second track as also a core technology track, that will be accepted as a past or distinction. But if you select the second track as a non-technical track like process, or if you select a business track, or if you select articulation, or if you select a unit elective, that should be clear with the distinction only. It can be any combination. I am not sure am I making you confusing or making sense, but I will repeat for the safer side. For the digital movement, 2 tracks are required, in which one must be technology with the distinction, and other could be non-technical track with the distinction only. And if you select the second track also from technology, then it is accepted as a past or digital distinction also, and this makes you eligible to get the digital profile. It can be achieved in a one single cycle or it can be achieved in a multiple cycle. So just two tracks, and that two tracks means only 60 hours of learning, and the 60 hours of learning is going to change your career. For the 60 hours of learning, if you put your heart and soul, you will excel it and you will clear with the distinction. And you are certain to move in a digital associate, which means your compensation, that is a TCS Smart and Ninja compensation, will almost get double. So this could be the first breakthrough for your career. And now after be unitary. For every milestone, they are checking up core track completion. For milestone 1, they will check that you have completed 2 core tracks or not. In the second milestone, they will check whether you have 3 core tracks completion or not. And likewise, so other could be unit elective and anything. For example, take a milestone 1. Already you have completed digital movement, which means you already have one core tech track with the distinction by default. So in the milestone 1, probably you have to complete another core. So for milestone 2, again you have to accumulate another 2 tracks, and that will make a total 6 tracks. Now they will check if you have a 3 core tracks or not. Other could be anything, unit or anything. So I think you are very clear from this non-digital track division. So make a note of that. In each milestone they will check how many core tracks that you have completed. And if you don't know what is a core, what is a non-core, what is a technical track, what is a non-technical track, you may watch my another video. I have clearly explained about the tracks and the courses. Okay, now let us move to the digital. We know when the digital associate, when they move in the TSLP, it's already they are a little elevated with respect to non-digital. So for the non-digital people, milestone 0 is not there because you already have a digital profile. So milestone 0 will be completed by default for you guys. And rest milestones are as same as non-digital. So only 5 milestones you have to complete, in which for 1 and 3, 2 tracks that needs to be completed for every milestone. But for the fourth and fifth milestone, 3 in each track needs to be completed. That will make you 12 tracks completion. So criteria is same as a non-digital, how I explained earlier for the non-digital part. So keep accumulating tracks that will get reward based on the criteria. Or you can complete any track in a single cycle or multiple cycle, meaning July or October, same rules are followed before providing the milestone rewards. Already digital people come with the elevated compensation, so after the completion of milestone 5, he or she will get compensation equivalent to that of Innovator cadre. So that's it from this video. I think now from this video you have understood the latest structure of the Wings1 program. This pattern you have to follow to get the digital or Innovator profile in TCS. I think this video will motivate you to take up the Wings1 journey, and I hope all the questions have been clarified from this video. We will be preparing next video on FAQs, which is nothing but the frequently asked questions on Elevate Wings1 program. So stay tuned for my that video as well. And if you need any video on specific topic, so let us know in the comment section. We will help you for the same. And yeah, I think we are done from this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.